The year was 2006, and a young New Zealander had a dream. His name was Peter Beck, and he wanted to build his own rocket company. But there was one problem: he didn't have a college degree. Undeterred, Peter Beck started working for various aerospace companies in New Zealand, gaining valuable experience in the field. But he knew he wanted to do more than just work for other companies. He wanted to build his own rockets and launch them into space. So in 2006, Peter Beck founded Rocket Lab with the goal of providing affordable access to space for small satellites. He built the company from the ground up, starting with just a small team of engineers and a handful of investors. Over the years, Rocket Lab has grown into a major player in the space industry, with more than 500 employees and a valuation of $1.8 billion. Rocket Lab's Electron rocket is designed to carry small satellites into orbit, and it has successfully launched dozens of missions for customers around the world. Today, Rocket Lab is one of the most innovative companies in the space industry, with a vision to make space more accessible and enable humanity to thrive beyond the limits of Earth. But building a rocket company from scratch is an incredibly difficult task. Let's take a closer look at the challenges Peter Beck faced and how he overcame them. One of the biggest challenges Peter Beck faced was securing funding for his rocket company. He didn't have a college degree, which made it difficult to get investors on board. But Beck persevered, pitching his vision to countless investors and eventually securing enough funding to get Rocket Lab off the ground. Another challenge was attracting top talent to join the company. Without a college degree, Beck had to work extra hard to prove his worth to potential employees. But he managed to assemble a talented team of engineers and designers who shared his passion for space and were committed to making Rocket Lab a success. Navigating the regulatory landscape was another major challenge for Rocket Lab. The space industry is heavily regulated, and there are strict rules and procedures that must be followed to ensure safety and compliance. But Rocket Lab worked closely with regulatory agencies around the world to ensure that its launches were safe and in compliance with all regulations. Despite these challenges, Rocket Lab has achieved a number of milestones over the years, including becoming the first private company to launch a rocket from New Zealand and the first to launch a rocket from a private launch site. But Rocket Lab's success is not just about launching rockets. It's about the impact that the company is having on the space industry and on the world as a whole. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay with us for next.